Hey guys, welcome to another video. So COT report is a very good tool to get an overview of the positions of large traders from the future and option market. And many of you were asking me how you can use a COT report in Forex trading, or how you can read the data from this COT report, or you can say commitment of trader report. So in this detailed video I'm going to explain that, so you have to listen the instruction of this video very carefully so that you can read the data by your own. Because in every gold analysis video, if you are following me, you know that I generally look at this report, and this is a very good tool if you use it wisely. So actually the COT report is released by CFTC, and you can read what is CFTC from here. So CFTC basically is Commodity Future and Trading Commission. So actually the data from the COT is from the future market. As I trade only on gold, so I'm going to take the example of gold for this video. So you can also read the detail of COT from their site. This is the CME group site. You can refer this site. The address is written over here. So if we read the first line, you can get an overview what is COT report. So the commitment of trader, or you can say COT tool, provides a comprehensive and highly configurable graphical representation of the CFTC report on market open interest. So open interest basically is the data on which we can check the total number of open positions that are pending open position in the market, like both in long and in short. So these are net open positions both in net long and short. So you have to keep that in mind. So with this report we can check the net open long and short position. So this is the base part. And for the physical commodity, like I'm going to discuss the gold. So there are different type of clients. So first one is the producer, second is swap dealer, third one is the managed money, and other reportable art also. So we are going to check the positions of these segments. So let me show you how the report looks like. If we scroll down from this menu, commitment of trader, you can see down here we have the report itself. So from the product you can select right over here. When you click on the select product, you can choose. So I'm going to choose the metal. Of course, in metal you can, when you click on the metal, you can see the next next segment is precious metal. On that you can select gold. So the data is from the gold future market, because this is the centralized market and we can check the positions from one single exchange. Okay, so over here, this is the report. This is how it look like. So how you can use and how you can read this actually. So the most important part is the positions of the clients that you are going to look. So for me, I generally discuss about the managed money. Let me give you overview of other clients, or you can say the other large traders. So the first one is the producer, this one right over here. So the producer, are those who deal in the production of the gold. So this is quite easy to understand, because producer are those can produce the gold, those who are producing the gold, okay, from the gold mine or other sources. The swap dealer is bit complicated, but let me try to explain this to you. Swap dealer, you can read, this is the data from the CFTC. As per their notes, the definition of swap dealer is: first, those who hold itself out as a dealer in swaps. Second, makes a market in swaps. Third, regularly enter into swaps with counterparties as an ordinary course of business for its own account, or engage in activity causing itself to be commonly known in the trade as a dealer or market maker in swap. I know it's quite difficult to understand these uh, definitions, but let me explain this to you with a chart so that you will get a overview. Okay, so this is the swap dealer actually doing. So as you can see, this is the counterparty Y, which are gold producer, and this is counterparty, we can say X, right over here. So what swap dealers is doing, they are dealing with both party, like they are purchasing from this party and they are delivering to this party. And also from as these both party can trade in the spot market from this price, or when they deal something, when they are going to buy and sell something with the dealer, they can trade that in the spot market. So actually this look like this. So if you are going to understand this, then that is okay, but if you are not going to understand, then that is also okay, because our main concern is not the swap dealer. Our main concern and our main target is the managed money, this right over here, this one. The managed money are the one, those who are managing the large fund, like the banks, or the, you can say, what we call that, those asset manager. Okay, so those are the main focus of us that we can look for. We can check their position because they are the smart one, or you can say that because they are the banks, they have the big team, they have big brain, they can use the data, they can analyze the data. So if we check their position, we can get a overview. I'm not saying that other positions, other client position is not affecting the movement of gold, but as per my experience and as per the past data, I generally look at the positions of managed money. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. When you click on that, the chart look like this. Okay, so the blue one is the long positions and the short position is the brown one. I already defined this in many videos, in live trading session and in prediction videos also. So what we have to look for, we have to look in the change in positions. So every time and every week they release the data in every Tuesday after Tuesday evening, but the data for public available on the Friday afternoon. So yes, the data is delay, but even after the delay we can see the impact, and I already seen and experienced a good result of COT numbers in the live price. So you can use the data and you can read that, and you can analyze the past data, and then you can trade with this COT report. Let me give you an overview how you can utilize these change in positions. Okay, every time you just have to look at this change in position in long and short. You can change the date from here. Okay, now as per my experience, this is the view, and this is the sentiment then that you can apply. If they add long and they also add in short, there is a no clear view in future movement of market. If they are covering their long and they also covering their short, there is no clear view from the COT report. When they start adding in their short and when they start covering their long, or when they start decreasing their long, this generate a bearish signal, this right over here. This is the recent scenario in the COT report. Let me show you. Short added, long covering. Let me show you. As you can see, they added in the short this green numbers they are adding in the short, and they are covering, or you can say decreasing in the long. Okay, so this is a bearish sentiment. And the other one right over here, the when they add in the long and when they start covering their short, this generate a bullish sentiment. Okay, so this is the way, this is how you can use the COT report in forex trading. Because whenever you look at the future market and when you see the positions of managed money, or you can the smart player, you can utilize those movement uh, in spot price. So we can utilize the movement, and I already said many time, many example. You can check my other videos also, where I explained about how the previous week position were and how they impacted the price. So you can check those videos. So this is how you can utilize this data, this COT report data. This is just a overview. We also have to look at the other factor also, but this is the best way, I think, that you can use and you can read the COT data. If you have any question, if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can connect with me in Telegram channel and you can ask me there. Okay, so thank you, see you in Telegram.